worth it for you, but I'm the one that gets the fuel.
Honey, I'm in the mood for chimichangas.
So make it chimichang.
Chimichangas? That sounds like a damn good idea. We're doing chimichangas tonight on Cooking With Jon. Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, got a bubble over. Uh-oh. It's gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a fitness instructor, but she's not a chick. Well, welcome back, guys. Tonight, as I said, we're doing
Chimichangas.
I wasn't 100% sure what chimichangas were, but I watched the Meet Parents that one time, and they were talking about chimichangas. I just like the word. It sounds freaking awesome, doesn't it? So, it just sounds tasty. So I thought, what the hell? Let's make some chimichangas. So that's what we're doing. Anyway, I got everything shredded up and ready to go. If you don't know what we do here, guys, we go online, find yourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick the stuff up, make it. Simple as that. This is day 94 of our 365-day cooking challenge and day 35 of our world record attempt, which is cooking a different recipe off the internet for consecutive days without ever repeating. It's been an awesome time. We're on 34 so far. Looking forward to setting this world record. Hopefully they give it to me. So, that being said, let's get going on this one, guys. So, we got our bowl, and we're going to mix everything in our bowl. That's what it tells us to do. Our chicken, our cheese, our refried beans. Kind of gross if you ask me, but they taste pretty good. We got our spices. We got some cumin, chili powder, oregano. Then we got our green onions. And finally, spoon here, our salsa. Throw that all in the bowl. Give that a mix around. So now we're going to make our chimichangas, guys. And so it tells us to take about half a cup, which is, that might be liberal, I'm not sure. Put a little, I don't really care. I want a nice big chimichanga. I never had one. I want a good one. So I'm going to roll our sides up, and it's supposed to be like a burrito. I could have said just like rolling a big ass joint, but it's supposed to be like a burrito. So there we go. There's one. It's supposed to make about 6 or so. So I'll keep rolling on these, boys and girls, and I'll be back in a moment. Alright guys, so we got them all rolled up. They're looking pretty good. I only got 5, so I'm guessing I must have stuffed them a little full or something. But anyway, they said I wanted a good
Chimichangas.
big ass, but why not? Never had them, so might as well have them right. We're going to start frying them lightly in our oil. Let's not put your fingers in that, John. It's not deep,
Yeah,
right?
I don't feel like taking anything hard and super.
Pan-fried fingers. No, I don't really want that either. It's all the same to you. So we'll keep my fingers out of the oil. So we'll get that going. It says to turn them every 20 to 30 seconds, so we'll do that. Alright, well, welcome back, guys.
Chimichangas.
They're out. They're looking awesome, I think. I don't know. I wouldn't know a good chimichanga from a bad one, as I said, but pretty sure they're supposed to look something like that anyway. Some home cut fries too. What the hell? Why not? Let's give this a try and see what we think. That's damn delicious. Oh, good shit. Well, gotta love those Mexicans. Damn. Anyway, guys, come take a look at our date and time. It is Sunday the 5th at 6:56. Anyway, guys, this has been another Cooking with Jon. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget that like button. And hey, anything you want to see me cook, throw in the comments. But, bye for now.